Welcome to the Wall Street Geek, where I don't know about you, but I'm excited about Halloween with the costumes and the candy and the trick-or-treating and the games.
Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars.
There's 65,000 stocks trading globally, most of which are packaged into several hundred mutual funds. If you narrow the list down to just the big mutual fund players, there's still over 70 mutual fund families to choose from, each of which have 12 or so mutual funds each. Some are moderate, some are conservative, and some of these funds are aggressive. We've had a rocky few years in our global markets. I mean, that's the understatement of a year. But there are a couple of funds which have done relatively well. Here are 3 funds with strong 5-year annualized returns and also with healthy alphas. An alpha is a reflection on the skill of the portfolio managers at the fund. Keep in mind that past performance isn't indicative of future performance. And also, please read a prospectus and talk to a professional before you buy any mutual fund so that you're aware of all the fees involved. Number 1, Hodgkins & Wiley Value Opportunities. This fund invests in undervalued mid-cap securities, primarily in the US. It's more aggressive than the broader market, yet still correlated to it. It's not a big fund, but its performance over the past 5 years has been just as strong as the bigger players. Number 2, Shelton NASDAQ 100 Index Direct. This invests at least 80% of its assets in NASDAQ 100 stocks, and it's highly correlated with the NASDAQ 100 index. And that contains the largest non-financial stocks listed on the NASDAQ. As a result, this fund is currently tech-heavy, with over 17% of its assets invested in Apple. And who doesn't have an Apple product? Or 2, or 3? Number 3, Robeco Boston Partners. This is a long-short fund that looks for opportunities, value opportunities, to outperform the S&P. It's not as correlated to the broader market as the other 2 funds I named, but still this fund enjoyed consistently double-digit annualized returns over the past 5 years. This is not a recommendation to buy or sell anything, and by no means is this a comprehensive list of all the funds that had strong 5-year annualized returns and healthy alphas. Talk to someone that you know and trust before you buy, and please do your own research. Also, I don't own any positions in any of these mutual funds, and I don't plan on owning any of these within the next 5 days. Join me next time because I want you to live long and profit. Take care.
Hey, Michelle Price here. Get my book and learn how to buy stocks online. It's available at Amazon or any retailer near you. Also get a free workbook at modernwealthmedia.com/video. That's my publishing company. It'll teach you how to create a budget, write a financial plan, and manage your portfolios. Get them both today, especially the book.